guys, I suddenly realized I forgot to do my usual intro thing. Well, anyways, as I usually say, please watch from start to finish because it takes 4,000 watch hours to be able to earn off of YouTube a year. So basically, all I've got is I think 16 for this whole entire year, so I don't think I'll make it this year. But as I said, from start to finish. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button because it helps with the YouTube analytics. I don't really 100% understand why. As well as, if you like, check out my channel. And if you like it, please subscribe. And I'll continue on with the video. Hey guys, this one's about, the blizzard we had on the 8th. I went out at around 5 for a cup of tea at Starbucks. I wasn't expecting a blizzard. I only have one window. I rarely ever look out it. Turns out we were having a blizzard. But good news is Starbucks is open till 6. So I went down there. It's only a block away. Had a cup of tea or two. Came back. When I say two, you can get water for free. So all you gotta do is reuse the tea bag. For those who don't know. I came back, and this is the footage of the blizzard that night. So, hope you enjoy, and see you in the next bit, because I also put footage of the day after. It's hilarious! See ya in a bit. Here we are at the next bit, and hope you enjoy it, because like I said before, it is hilarious. A lot of cars got stuck. It's the most I've ever seen of a tow truck. Seriously. I saw more tow trucks on the 9th than I've ever seen. Ever! And I should probably do a little background check. Never did that before. A blizzard during November is rare. Yes, we get snow, but it's only about, I don't know, that much? Like, just the sole of a boot size? And then it builds up over time to a point where it gets high on the edges, but because we shoveled walks, it's still that height. We've never had a blizzard that during November as the first major winter snow. So, we're actually kind of impressed. Well, at least I am. And I hope you enjoy this footage because it is hilarious. And I'll see you at the end. right, I hope you enjoyed that. It's one of the reasons why I'm thankful I don't have a driver's license. And then there's all the other reasons why I wish I did have a driver's license, but that's a whole entire other story. But anyways, like I said, the ending was funny, and hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching from start to finish if you have, and if you like this video, please hit like, and I'll see you soon. Bye, and have a good day. At least you don't have snow that's up to almost your waist while walking about outside. It's almost gone, but not completely. Bye.